It's the middle of September, and Eddie, the CEO of XYZ Incorporated, has asked Fiona, the CFO, if they'll be meeting their numbers this quarter. Fiona knows that Patricia, the FP&A, and her team did a forecast in August. Fiona is confident that she can send the forecast overview to Eddie within 5 minutes. She also knows that Patricia and her team will have the detailed revenue forecast ready by the end of the day. Fiona starts by looking at the analytics. On the revenue dashboard, she can quickly see a real-time summary of the quarter till date, the current quarter, and the total year forecast. Fiona sees that there is a significant variance between May actuals and the expected forecast, both versus the prior year and the budget. To learn more about this variance, Fiona navigates to the Pipeline and Variance Analysis section. Here, she can drill down on the risk to the forecast and even track revenue by opportunity stages. Immediately, she can see that one of the account owners, Jaden, was responsible for losing a big opportunity, and that's where most of the variance is coming from. Fiona now knows what she wants Patricia to concentrate on, and immediately shares this section with her. Once Fiona has shared this info with Patricia, she can also look at the top 20 accounts by revenue. By clicking on an account, it shows her all the opportunity details to help Fiona further drill down on the variance. With this, Fiona has a bird's eye view of the forecast and the variance. However, Fiona needs more details for Eddie's report, and she asks Patricia to examine the account level variance at the opportunity and product level. Patricia starts by heading over to the forecast revenue summary. Here, she immediately notices the adjustments to the low confidence or pipeline opportunities is extremely high. Patricia clicks on the Revenue Workbench to correct this. On the Revenue Workbench, Patricia can see the forecast from all user roles lower than her in the hierarchy. She already knows that the adjustment to the low confidence opportunities number is too high, so she selects the questionable adjustment, decides upon a more prudent number, and applies it. Now that Patricia has made her adjustments, she needs to verify that they are reflected on the Revenue Summary. On the Revenue Summary tab, she gets her confirmation. With this, Patricia can now notify Fiona about the revised and most likely forecast for XYZ's current quarter. Fiona can now prepare the updated forecast report to share with Eddie. Since the forecast is lower than was initially projected, Fiona realizes that she needs to speak with the CRO so that he can budget things accordingly. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to check out the Einstein Analytics add-on for the Revenue Forecast Navigator.